Hey everybody, Dana Stover here with the magic of Somatic Money. And yes, I've been gone for a little while again, and I've seen some of you poking around the edges going, does she have anything new out? And I do. I have been working so much on dialing the platform, boosting things, and I've got some news for you. So I've got 4 action items to share with you. The first one is free information, free starter kit information. So the thing you need to know about is I have gone in, so this is number 1, I have gone into my free starter kit and I have updated it, I have revamped it, I have gone more in depth, I've gotten a lot more specific, and I have insider information there that I have never shared before. So if you're interested at all in body-based money relationship and you want to begin to take a look at it, this is the way to do it. Go to my link tree or just my website, www